Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Duolingo items on Roblox in 2025. So make sure you will be just open your Roblox account and make sure you will have logged in officially, and you will be in the dashboard in Creator Hub on Roblox, and in the left side you will see these creation options. I will just tap on it simply, and here you will see there is the avatar items, but right now there is no option to search by Duolingo. So what gonna do, we will move in the top, you will see there is a store option. So I will just tap on it simply. This is store option, and in here you will just browse your model by the search, and if I just tap like Duolingo, and I will just tap on it simply. So here you will see there is a bodysuit of Duolingo. There are many. So from here there are maximum 14 of collection pages. So from here you will just tap to select it and add your simply to your Roblox avatar on bodysuit. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.